ሰላም ሰላም ውድ ቤተሰቦች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ ፓርት 41 ላይ የተወሰኑ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን ከናሰራራቸው የማቀርብላችሁ ነው የሚሆነው። እንደሚታወቀው እነዚህ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች በብዛት በ12ኛ ክፍል የማትሪክ ፈተና ከዚህም በተጨማሪ በተለያዩ መስሪያ ቤቶች ላይ ባንክና ሌሎችን ጨምሮ በሚያወጧቸው የስራ ማስታወቂያዎች ላይ ለፈተናነት የሚመጡ ጥያቄዎች በመሆናቸው ብታውቋቸው ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ። በመሆኑም ይህን ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ በየሳምንቱ የምለቃቸውን የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን ከናሰራራቸው እያያችሁ በመለማመድ ራሳችሁ እንድታዘጋጁ መጋበዝ ፈልጋለሁ። ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሄዳለን። ኦኬ question number 139. If 3x plus 7 is equal to x squared plus p, again it is equal to 7x plus 5. What is the value of p? A 1 over 2, b 8 and 1 over 4, c 8 and 1 over 2, d cannot be determined. What is the answer for this question? Okay, try it by your own first and check your answer with the one that I have just provided here. To get the value of p, first take the first and the third equations. That means 3x plus 7 and 7x plus 5. Then equate 3x plus 7 and 7x plus 5. You get 3x plus 7 is equal to 7x plus 5, and from this collect like terms. You get 3x minus 7x, which is equal to 5 minus 7. Then it becomes minus 4x, which is equal to minus 2. And solving for x, you get 1 over 2. Now take 3x plus 7 and x squared plus p. That means 3x plus 7 is equal to x squared plus p. And from this again solve for p. Rearrange and solve for p. You get p is equal to minus x squared plus 3x plus 7. Then since we get the value of x which is equal to 1 over 2, substitute 1 over 2 in place of x. And it becomes minus 1 over 2 squared plus 3 times by 1 over 2 plus 7. Then it is equal to minus 1 over 4 plus 3 over 2 plus 7. Then take 4 as a common divisor and you get minus 1 plus 6 plus 28 over 4. Then p is equal to 33 over 4. Dividing 33 to 4, you get the improper fraction 8 and 1 over 4. Question number 140. If 2a plus b the whole over a plus 4b is equal to 3, then find the value of a plus b over a plus 2b. A 2 over 7, b 5 over 9, c 10 over 7, d 10 over 9. Okay, how can we get the answer for this question? First, you have the equation to a plus b over a plus 2b, which is equal to 3, and crisscross this one, you get 2a plus b, which is equal to 3 times by a plus 4b, and 3 times by a plus 4b is equal to 3a plus 12b. Then you have 2a plus b, which is equal to 3a plus 12b. Now collect like terms here again. It becomes 2a minus 3a, which is equal to 12b minus b. Then you get minus a, which is equal to 11b. Again, multiply both sides by minus, you get the value of a, and a is equal to minus 11b. Then you have the equation a plus b over a plus 2b. But what you get is the value of a, and the value of a is minus 11b. Then substitute minus 11b in place of a, and it becomes, that means a plus 2b over a plus b over a plus 2b becomes minus 11b plus b the whole over minus 11b plus 2b. Then it is again equal to minus 10b over minus 9b. b will be cancelled out by b, and negative will be cancelled by negative here. Then you get 10 over 9. So your answer for this question is choice D, 10 over 9. Question number 141. It says if x plus y is equal to 23 and xy means 126, then what is the value of x squared plus y squared? A 529, b 252, c 277, d 927. Then what is the answer for this question? Okay, try it again by your own. Now let me show you the solution. You have x plus y, which is equal to 23. Okay, x plus y, which is equal to 23. Then square both sides. That means square x plus y and that of 23. So you can rewrite it in such a way: x squared, x plus y the whole squared, which is equal to 23 squared. But 23 squared is 529. Then you have x squared plus, you have x plus y the whole squared, which is equal to 529. Then square this one, that means x plus y the whole squared. When you square it using the power rule, I hope, it is x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, and it is equal to 529. Then you have the value of xy from the question, and xy means 126. Then this part, that means 2xy means 2 times by 126, and you can rewrite this one as such: x squared plus y squared plus 2 times by 126, which is equal to 529. Then you have x squared plus y squared plus 252, which is equal to 529, since 2 times by 126 is 252. Then again collect like terms. That means take the number 252 to the right side. Then you have x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 529 minus 252. And 529 minus 252 means 277. So you have x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 277. So your answer here is choice C. ኦኬ ለዛሬ ያለን ይህ ነበር። በየሳምንቱ እንደዚህ አይነት የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ይቀርብላችኋል። በመሆኑም እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ያገኛችሁ መለማመድ የምትፈልጉ ተማሪዎች እና ስራ ፈላጊዎች ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ሌሎችም ተማሪዎችና ስራ ፈላጊዎች ይህን ቻናል እንዲያገኙት ሼር አድርጉላቸው። ምክንያቱም እነዚህ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች እጅግ በጣም ጠቃሚ ናቸው። በተለያዩ ፈተናዎች ላይ የሚመጡ ጥያቄዎች በመሆናቸው ብታውቋቸው ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ። ብታውቋቸው ከሌሎች ተፎካካሪዎች ተወዳዳሪዎች በተሻለ መመለስ ስለምትችሉ የትኛውንም ፈተና ማለፍ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው።